Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to clear suggested reels on Instagram and reset what Instagram recommends to you. This quick guide will help you refresh your feed. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your personal profile page. From here, you can manage your account and content settings. Step 2, tap the 3 lines, also known as the Hamburger menu, in the top right corner of the screen. This menu gives you access to settings, activity, and other controls. Step 3, scroll down to the section called What You See and tap on Content Preferences. This area controls what types of posts and reels Instagram shows you. It's important for managing recommendations. Step 4, tap Reset Suggested Content and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. This action clears current suggestions and starts rebuilding them over time. Keep in mind, this reset cannot be undone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful social media tips and tutorials.